Welcome to the next My Jeep update, and now we're working on front upper control arms. Thanks for coming by.
Okay, this is the next clip. It's Wednesday now, and I'm working on getting this upper control arm out. As you can see, I do have the nut off of it. That bolt, it's got a lot of stress on it, and it's very tight. I'm gonna have to tap it out. This axle is bearing, I guess, down on it. I probably need to, maybe if I jack the axle up, I'm gonna try a few things. But anyway, the nuts off. There was so much stress on it, I didn't have to hold no backup on that T40, I think it's a T47. And I used my impact and a long extension, the same one I used on the castle nut on the Pitman arm yesterday, and but I used my impact. I came in from the side, and it took it all the way off. There it is. Well, I'll see you on the next clip when I figure out something here. Out. Okay, I've got it jacked up a little bit right there at the differential. Well, let me check the stress on the bolt now. Still real tight. Ooh. All right, put some more, jack it up some more. Jacking it up a little bit more. I don't know if this is going to do it. I may just have to hammer it out. But boy, that means I'll have a hard time getting the other one back in, the new one in. We'll see. Okay, I still haven't had no success on the front bolt of the upper control arm. I did get the nut off. So what I'm going to do now is try to get this. I'm going to the rear bolt, and I believe that's a 15 millimeter. Could be a 13 millimeter. I don't remember. I'll be with you on the next clip. Okay, guys, the next clip. As you see down there on that cord board, the nut came off, and as soon as it came off, my impact and linkage kicked to the left. So there's still a lot of stress on these bolts. I got to figure that out, how to get that stress off the bolts. See you on the next clip. Okay, next clip. Okay, as you can see, I got that upper control arm bolt almost out, but there's still some pressure on it. So I'm trying to drive it out without damaging the threads. And I'll see you on the next clip with any progress. Out. That's the next clip. And I got the bolt. I got both bolts out, front and rear. And I ran into a problem because the original front bolts are not long enough. I need at least another 1/4 inch. So I guess I'll have to go to the hardware store, see if I can find something that'll fit. But anyway, that's now the rear adjustable control arms work fine. The original hardware all fitted up fine. But I think the rear bolts are going to be fine. But this is definitely not going to work. I'll check that out. I'm gonna pull that control arm out, but I'm gonna cut it off here for today. I'll probably pick this up tomorrow on the same video. I'll see you on the next clip.
Problems, problems, problems.
Okay, this is the original front upper control arm, the front bolt. You see it's a T47 on one end, and it has this, here's. The front does not use this type of device. It uses a regular lock nut. Okay, this is the bolt that goes in the rear of the upper control arms, and I misplaced one of them. So this is what I'm looking for. Now I do have this nut and this piece here, which is built into the nut. And see, these are pretty special bolts. They can be substituted with, they suggest 10.9 hardness, hardened bolts. And that's what I got for the front. I had to get them a little longer because the original ones were too short. So I had to get a substitute bolt, which this is the same hardness, but it's about a 1/2 inch longer. And I believe it'll work. We'll find out coming up pretty soon. And if I can't find my original rear bolt for the upper control arm, I did find that long bolt. It's the same diameter, same threads. It might work. I may try that before I go looking for another substitute. That's something else we'll have to see what happens. Here's the two new front bolts. There's one of the nuts, and it's a locking nut. Now they just have regular standard hex heads. I'll edit and get this video posted. Again, thank you for watching a My Jeep update, and we'll get this posted, and hopefully we'll see you soon with the next update. Hope I make some more progress to show you this time. It's My Jeep out. Thank you.